Hi, this is Jim Munson. We're here at ENCORE Packaging, and today we are looking at two of our items that can work complementary to each other. So up top, we've got the EP5955, which is our deluxe Kraft paper crumpler, and it's attached to our EP5970, which is our support stand with casters. So what this allows you to do is move your paper crumpler wherever in your warehouse you need it. Once you have your crumpler positioned where you want it, you can lock those casters to keep it in place, and you are ready to start crumpling your paper to fill your box. So once you have the amount of paper that you want, you can use the cutter blade here on the side to pull that off, and then you are ready to put your paper right into your box to be used as done. So again, that is the EP5955 Deluxe Paper Crumpler attached to the EP5970 Mobile Support Stand. Both units are made right here in the United States of America at ENCORE Packaging. Thank you.